If you want to fix Acer laptop microphone not working Windows 11 or 10 and stay here because the fastest working fix starts right now. Alright guys, first of all, quick fixes are really important. So restart your laptop. Yeah, just do it. Restarting reloads drivers, clears small glitches, and can bring your microphone or audio services back. Make sure your mic is not muted, and if you're using a headset, unplug it and plug it back in. Now check Windows microphone access. Go to Settings, then open Privacy and Security. Scroll down and find Microphone. Turn microphone access on. Also turn on access for the apps you're using, and don't forget desktop apps too. Next, set the correct microphone. Right-click the sound icon in the taskbar, open Sound Settings, and under Input, select your Acer microphone. Then speak a little and check if the bar moves. In Sound Settings, click your microphone and increase input volume to around 80 to 100%. If it still doesn't work, don't worry. The troubleshooter can help find and fix common microphone issues, reset settings, and restart audio services. Go to System, open Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Run recording audio if you see it. Now, updating or reinstalling the driver is very important for fixing microphone problems. Press Windows key plus X, then open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs from the side arrow. Right-click your microphone and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Sometimes Windows finds and installs the right driver on its own to fix the issue. If it's still not working, right-click the microphone again and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm it. Restart your laptop. Don't worry, Windows usually reinstalls it automatically using the built-in driver after restart. And lastly, if nothing works, install the latest audio driver from Acer's official support website for your exact laptop model. Still having issues? Drop a comment. Thanks for watching.